friends, hope you all are doing great. Thasin here today. I'm here to talk about how to use pivot table in Google Sheets, and really this will help you to develop your business and how to analyze your data using this, and how to pay for employees, actually which employee is paying good, working good, and which region their products are really doing good, and which product is the best, and which product we need to concentrate more so that we can develop it, and how much quantity it has we are sold, and all that actually we are going to analyze in this. So definitely please try to have a look on this actually the entire session, so that you can understand the clear clear idea about pivot table. If you want to look on to my other sessions, actually try to I have given the links in the below description. Just go and have a look on it. So here let's actually get into our session. Here you can see serial number 1 to 11, and dates I have given 2011, 12, 13, and so many dates, and the region we have products actually like A, B, C, D, 4 different products, and we have sold actually all those products in this region, and quantities actually these are the quantity 2 products. Let it be a product, be a whatever it is actually, let it be a refrigerator, let it be a TV, let it be something else. Or else let it be biryani, let it be tandoori chicken, whatever you want actually a product. And each product A price is 50 and the total price is 100 rupees. When 50 into 2 comes actually, then definitely it is 100. So this I have actually made using the formula. And here this is a salesperson. We have 3 people working under us. So X, Y, and Z. Definitely when people have a very big business, they have to analyze very big data. Within fraction of a second, you can come to know which product is really doing good, and which salesperson is doing good, and which region we are really having a very good business in this region. So let me just have a look on this. So all I'm going to do is just I'm going to select this region, so that we can just select this part, the part actually which you have the data, and then get into data and click on pivot table. Once you click on pivot table, this will appear create pivot table, and then here it will ask you for a data range. Already we have selected. If you have not selected, just click here actually this one, select data range, and then you can select it. But all I will suggest you is actually first select your data and then create a pivot table. And then all I'm going to do is asking me for new sheet or existing sheet. I will click for new sheet. So here I'll click on create. You also click on new sheets. So here you can see rows, columns, and values. So these are the 3 values. So whichever value you want to analyze, actually definitely you can analyze. So let us first discuss whether which employee is really working hard for a company and how much we need to pay for him. So here you can see I'm going to take actually salesperson. So as we all know, actually only 3 people are working under us. And let me see in the column, let me give you how much total, which product, how many product actually, which product actually he has sold, how much he has sold. And then the point comes to in the values, let us see how much total price he has given actually for us, for our company. So here you can see this is A data, B, C, D, and this is the grand total. So here you can see X, Y, and Z. So X has given me the highest actually, so I'm going to pay the X person the highest salary when compared to Y and Z. So Y has actually a least salary because he has not given much profit actually when compared to other person. So this is how we can calculate. I'm just giving you an example. And then when the product A, B, C, D, here you can see our product D is really doing good when compared to other products, and here you can see B product is very less amount, less actually sale has happened. It means we need to concentrate more on our B product. So I am done with this. So next what I'm going to do is just I'm going to close this. Just again close this, and I'm going to close this also. Now I'm going to analyze which year data was actually really we had a very good sale. So here I'm going to just click on date. Okay, in the row I'm going to have dates, and in the column I'm going to have product, so that I can analyze the product. And in this value actually I want to just have a look on total price, how much we have got. So here is the data. Here you can see these are the dates and these are products, and here is the grand total. And if you don't want show total, you can click here. If you click here the show total, it will just remove from from there. If you want total, just you have to click on show total here. Let me click again so that it will come back so that I can analyze in a better way. So here you can see, so as I told you before, D product is really doing good. Now what I'm going to do is I want to see just on to which early basis. So just get into any of these dates and right click here and click on create pivot date groups. So once you click here and here you have year, so just click on it. So here is your data 2011, 12, 13, 14. So let me see my company how much actually profit I had actually during which so here I can see in 2014 we had a very good profit when compared to all other, and actually here you can see in 340, so 2011 we had a very worst phase in our company. So so when compared to other, so actually here 2014 was our best year. So here, and which product has as we know actually already we analyzed actually D product is really doing good. So this is the analysis we can make actually per year calculation. And also actually you can group and ungroup, and you don't want to look into yearly wise, you want to look into quarterly wise. All you have to do is right click on any of those dates, create pivot date group, and I want to have a look on quarter base, monthly base, day month wise, day of the week, hour, minutes, seconds, everything is available actually. Let me just click on, I don't have much data, so I'll just click on year quarter. So this is the quarter 1 and quarter 2. We didn't have much quarters actually. So you can have a look on all this and analyze actually how really. So we have analyzed which product is really doing good and which employee we need to pay high salary and which employee to get low salary, and in which year we have really had a very good phase in our company. And for example, if you want to exchange this from the rows to column and column to row, that also we can do here. And if you don't want to actually this quarter wise, all you can do is just here you can see ungroup pivot items. So if you just click on ungroup, it will come to the normal position, and all I'm going to do is just I'm going to shift this column to rows and rows to column. So here you can see I have shifted rows to columns, and so data has changed, and all I'm going to do is, so here you can analyze AA data. So these are the actually dates, and this is the sum of total prices, and this is the B data, and this is, so you want this repeated here yeah. So all you have to do is repeat low row labels. So I'm going to click here. So here you can see this AA and BB and CCDD has come. So in the total grand total this is 800, and here in the B 420. So this is also a type of analysis which you can make actually. So the one point comes to filter. Filter is all about, for example, I want to give filter for sum of totals. For example, here we have total price. So here you can give filters for total price, and I want to look on those filters. It is asking for me the price. So show all items, but it is asking for the price. So here I'm going to just click here. I want to just look on those datas actually only those have 50. So what I'll do is just unclick everything. This also I have unclicked here, and I'm going to click on 50. So here you can see I have clicked OK here. So here you can see this is the AA total 50 grand total. So for example, if you want to, I will just cross this filter. Just I will remove it. If you want to make this dates in ascending and descending, we have options actually. If you want, you can do that at the same time. And now I'm going to tell you how to make our data dynamic. So these data are really static, what we did here. Now I want to make my data dynamic. So what is mean by dynamic? And I'll tell you, if I need to update in my main sheet where I worked, that data should be updated here automatically. Let me tell you how to do that. So all I have to do is, here you can see A1 to H12. I will just remove the numbers next to A and H. So this is what I have to do. And I have removed here, and what I'm going to do is, in the row section, let me take So yes, actually I'm going to just click on OK button here. It is asking me the data region, and I'm going to click on add here. I will make as actually what is it called, salesperson, and in the row and in the column I will take products, and in the region, in the values, I will take total prices or anything else you can take, whichever you want to analyze. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to make this product, what is it called actually? I'm going to make this one as dynamic. So how I'm going to do, I have removed here A is to H. So I will get into my sheet now. So here I'm going to add one more data, 12, and I'm going to add one more date, for example 6 for 2018, and I'm going to click on north. I'm going to add here something for, and a new product has been introduced here in my company, and the price of the new is actually 200 rupees. So then definitely what will be this price? A name called XYZ WW has come in our company. So I have updated here. So I have not saved anything. So I had one A, B, C, D. So products are DD, and there is a salesperson called WW. So let me check out whether I have got the WW person. So here it is. Guys, here you can see, my dear friends, here you can see a WW has included actually, and so that how much he has did 800 and 800 grand total. So this chart has become dynamic, and the A, B, C, D products are the same. And now I'm going to do is I'm just going to introduce a new product name called EE in my company. It is not DD. So sorry, I have mentioned it wrong. So now let me see whether my chart has got changed. So here you can see the one more EE has been introduced here. So now my pivot table is dynamic, so I can work however I want. So let me see, and I'm going to just close this. Now I want to group and ungroup based on the serial numbers. So what I'm going to do is rows, and here actually I'm going to click on what is it called, serial numbers in the row section. So here you can see 1 to 12, and all I'm going to do is in the columns actually I want to just have a look on region. Okay, so region has come, and I want to look on the values here, values actually like a salesperson, actually which salesperson has did. So which salesperson has did. So this is a very big data here. You can show 111. I don't want to have a look on like this. For example, the serial number is the age. So all you can do is right click here. I'm going to group this. So here I'm going to create pivot group rule. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to set a rule that I want actually 5 to till what actually maximum value should be till 15. Sorry, I want actually from 1. So my data is from 1 to 12 actually. So I have given till 15, and I want in the interval basis of for example 5 by interval basis I want to have actually. I don't want to look like this. So I'm going to click on OK button. So my data is like this. So here I have grouped it actually 1 to 5. Let it be this be age also actually. I have given a serial number. You can actually have this for it. So 1 to 5 in the north, south, west, and east actually north. So these are the actually data. So here you can see. And the one more thing, for example, so you can even group and ungroup at the same time. Here you want to just ungroup this. Here you can see right click, and you can click on ungroup pivot items. So here it is. So now I'm going to just close this. Let me close this also. Let me close this, and I'll close this one at the same time. Now in the rows I'm going to click on quantity, so that let me have actually this is 1 to 8 quantities, and I'm going to have this actually region wise, and then region wise, and this is my region, and I'm going to look on my products actually, which product is really in which region they are doing good. So here comes my product. So which region is the best region, which is doing good? This is east, north, south, and west. So it's almost the same actually, all are doing actually in all the regions. So somehow it is balancing. And what I'm going to do is this quantity, I want to look into what is it called, create pivot rules. I want to look into a number, so all I'm going to do is 1, and I'm going to click on 10 here, 1 to 10, and my numbers are 1 to 10. I want to look into the 2 intervals, so I'll click on OK. So it will come on 2 intervals. So I just want to ungroup this. All I have to do is just right click here, and I will ungroup this. And you want to change this to columns into regions into columns. All you have to do is just drag this and leave it here. Yes, I have just dragged it. So here is your data. So now in the row, let me introduce you with the dates, and actually in the column, let me introduce you with the salesperson, and in the values, actually let me see the products. So that let me click on products, so that we can see which person has got. Now I want to just extend this rows into columns and columns into rows. So this is my data, you can see here, and I'm going to just extend this value to the dates. So here you can see, so data has got produced. So however you want, even you can show labels actually. If you want the AA and XXYYZ to be repeated, you can have that at the same time. So how much ever you want, actually you can change, and you can have a look on it, and even you can use the filters at the same time, and you can do more in this pivot table and analyze, so that we can take our business to the next level. So hope guys you all would have understood what is in the pivot table in Google Sheets. Try to look on all my videos actually in Google Sheets, so that you can have a very clear understanding. I have a link in below description, so kindly have a look. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you really like it. Share with your friends and relatives. Take care. Bye bye.